To become an MIE, first of all, you need to become an electrician. Once you're an electrician, you can then become what we refer to as a single phase tester, which is a course you do, and then you register at Labour as a single phase tester. To then up your standard, you become an installation electrician, and that's by writing an exam at the Department of Labour called Paper 1, Paper 2, which is the installation rules. You also do a course called Unit Standards, and you put this lot together, all your documentation with your N3. It used to be N3, we're now substituting the N3. And then you become an installation electrician. To become a master electrician, you take what you've got in your basket now, which is your trade test, your single phase tester, your installation electrician tester with its documentation, and you apply to write specialized paper 1 and paper 2. Once you have written your specialized paper 1 and paper 2, you have an interview to do. Once you've done the interview and you have submitted all your documents to the Department of Labour, you may become a master electrician. This is a process that takes most people 10 years, nothing less.